Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upscale and download images in Ideogram AI. Let's get started. First, open the Ideogram app on your phone and log in with your account. Then generate or open an image. You can either type your own prompt to generate a new image or scroll through a previously generated images usually found in your profile or in your home tab. Then, click or tap the image. Tap the thumbnail or the image you want to download. It will open the full screen with four variations. And upscale the image. Below each variation, tap or click the upscale button, a small arrowing pointing upward, and wait for a few seconds for a high quality version to render. But take note that upscale version is only available in upgraded version of that app. Then here, download the upscaled image. Once your upscale finishes, long press the upscaled image and tap download image or save to device. And optional, you can regenerate if needed. If the result isn't perfect, you can edit your prompt. You can use a clearer or more specific descriptions, then generate again and repeat the process. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.